Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered where your strength has gone? Maybe it feels like every year, those stairs get a little steeper, the groceries a bit heavier. If you're over 60, this isn't just in your head. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it can sneak up on anyone. But here's the good news. You can fight back, starting with what's on your plate. Today, I want to share 6 powerful foods that help rebuild muscle after 60, so you can keep living life on your terms. And if you feel inspired, drop your thoughts or your own tips in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Let's start with number 1, eggs. These little powerhouses are packed with high-quality protein and leucine, a key amino acid for muscle repair. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, a couple of eggs for breakfast can kickstart your muscle recovery. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Not only creamy and delicious, but also loaded with protein and calcium. Add some berries for a dose of antioxidants, and you've got a muscle-building snack that feels like dessert. Coming in at number 3, salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon doesn't just help your heart, it also fights inflammation and supports muscle growth. Try it grilled, baked, or in a salad. Your muscles and taste buds will thank you. Number 4, beans and lentils. These plant-based wonders are full of protein, fiber, and iron. They help keep your energy steady and muscles strong. Toss them in soups, salads, or stews. Easy, affordable, and oh so good for you. Let's talk about number 5, chicken breast. Lean, versatile, and loaded with protein, chicken breast makes it simple to get the nutrients your muscles crave. Grill it, bake it, or shred it into a hearty soup. And finally, number 6, spinach. Yep, Popeye was onto something. Spinach is rich in magnesium, iron, and plant compounds that protect your muscles. Sauté it with a little garlic, or blend it into a smoothie. You'll barely taste it, but your body will feel the boost. So, why does all this matter? Because muscle isn't just for athletes. It's what helps you pick up your grandkids, open jars, and dance at family weddings. It's the secret to staying independent, strong, and vibrant, no matter your age. Remember, rebuilding muscle after 60 isn't about perfection. It's about little choices every day. Choosing eggs over pastries, adding spinach to your plate, saying yes to that short walk. Every step counts. Let me know in the comments. Which of these foods will you try first? Or do you have your own favorites for staying strong and healthy? Your story could inspire someone else. Thank you for joining me today. Here's to a stronger, healthier you at any age.